Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI talking to you today about this personal in-home sauna. So from the comfort of your own home with this little reservoir, you're able to sit in this seat, zip yourself up, and have your own nice detoxifying sauna life. Now all you do is fill up the reservoir and you turn it on to, you want to be in there 10 minutes up to an hour, and it works just like this. The water heats up from the reservoir and then pours in steam. So while you're in here, you're not having to be bored because it has these extra pockets right here for your arms to come out. You can relax, read a book, have your phone, watch a movie, anything, and you're still able to be mobile while your body is detoxifying. It's so relaxing. As you can see here, my husband loves to be in this as well. We love to do it after we work out. So we're pounding our muscles, really making them angry, and then we're kind of apologizing to our muscles and saying sorry here, let's relax in the nice sauna. Even though it's made of a really nice insulated material, it's very lightweight, so you're able to move your sauna into any room that you would like. So if you're looking for a really great in-home sauna without breaking the bank, I recommend this one right here. And that's my point of view.